My friends, take a good whiff inside your washing machine. Go ahead, I can wait. Do you find its aroma alluring or repulsive? If you answered the latter, then it is highly likely that your washing machine is harboring a host of mold, mildew, and all sorts of undesirables. These microbes of menace can leave your clothes musty and malodorous, sabotaging one of the most powerful nonverbal communicators that we have. Our scent. Well, I can't allow a dirty washer to be the cause of criticism. I want y'all clean, refined, with a dash of danger. And so today, I'm going to show you how to clean that washing machine with confidence. Now that the dramatic intro is over, let's talk about how to clean the washer. First off, how do you know when it's time to clean the washer? There are a couple of indicators. Number one, if you smell inside and it stinks, that's an indicator. Number two, if you find black mold inside, or if your clothes are coming out smelling dingy or musty, those are also indicators. It's not uncommon to find black mold around the agitator, which is that middle piece that sticks up and kind of twists around and mixes the clothes around if you have a top load washer. Also, on the front load washers like these, it's not uncommon to find mold around this rubber gasket inside of it, underneath, or just around the edge. Also, it's not uncommon to find black mold sometimes just inside in the actual basket. So if you have any of those things, then it's time to give the washer a good cleaning. So how to clean your washer in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, pour 2 cups of baking soda inside and run it on its longest and hottest cycle. The baking soda is going to act as a scrubbing agent. It's going to go to war with that mold, and it's also going to help to neutralize the bad odor. Step number 2 is pour 2 cups of white vinegar inside and run it on its longest and hottest cycle. This is just icing on the cake. It's going to help to kill any remaining mold and eliminate any remaining odors. It's also going to disinfect the washing machine. And step number 3 is just to clean this rubber gasket right here and also clean your dispenser tray. To clean the rubber gasket, just get you a wet cloth with hot soapy water. Start wiping it down real well. If there's any hard to reach areas like up underneath inside here, you can use a cleaning toothbrush to get any of that, to remove any remaining black mold. To clean your dispenser tray, you can just pull it open, get you a cleaning toothbrush, and use it to get any hard to reach areas. Clean it up, use hot soapy water. On some of these though, you can actually take the tray out, and if you take the tray out, even better, just take it over the sink and wash it with hot soapy water, and then when you're finished, just put it back in, closed up, and that will complete step 3. And bonus step number 4, look to the bottom of your washer and clean your filter. So twist the filter out, take it to the sink, clean it up, and then look inside and get any gunk out that's built up, that's accumulated. Clean it all out real good, and then just put the filter back in. You don't need to twist it in there super duper tight or anything. Just hand tighten it and you should be good to go. Another thing I do recommend, when you're not using your washer, be sure just to leave the door open at all times so you don't trap any moisture inside. So that's it. The advice that I've given you in this video is good for front load washers or top load washers. Just implement the steps I've outlined in this video every year or so, and not only are you going to have cleaner, better smelling clothes, but you're going to feel a lot fresher. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content and want more. Mr. Fuzzball and I, signing off. Until next time, welcome to First Class.